The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I'm going to present to you piece of an entire video that is out on social media. And this video is going to show a female who said some things that gave me the understanding that she's trying to let many persons on social media know about a petition. And this petition had been created online for persons to go online and sign this petition so that the government of Jamaica can create a sex offenders registry for the country of Jamaica or within the country of Jamaica. This female also said some things that gave me the understanding that she's saying that her father raped or molested her when she was a minor or underage and that he was in prison. She also talked about a person who goes by the name of Lassell Parnell, some persons might also know him as Mr. Handsome or as a actor that goes by the name of Girlie. You see what I'm saying to you? And she went on to talk about other things as well, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to tell you from right now, this female used some harsh languages to try and express herself or to try and let persons understand some of the things that she's talking about. Now viewers and subscribers, I wanted to please bear in mind that I'm only explaining to you according to how I understand some of the things that she had said, and that what I'm telling you might not be 100% accurate as to how she had said it in the video that I'm about to present to you. Alright? You see me? Now this video is out on social media where it's being talked about, viewers and subscribers. I mean, comments have been made about this video, you know. Some comments have been made on this video that gave me the understanding that some persons agreed with some of the things that she had said and that some persons did not agree with some of the things that she had said. You see me? You see? And I'm going to present this video to you so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think. You can tell me if you agree with some of the things that she had said or if you do not agree with some of the things that she had said. And you can also let me know what you think overall about some of the things that she had said and some of the things that she's talking about. Alright? Alright. Now, here I'm going to present the video to you right about now, but before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the languages used in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video, take a look, listen and observe.
We are petitioning since 2017. We've been asking the government of Jamaica please to implement a registry to protect the children of Jamaica from persons who have been arrested and charged for sexual crimes and abusive crimes, so that we the public can better prepare ourselves and protect ourselves against these perpetrators. Since 2017. Finally now in 2020, the Prime Minister decided he wasn't going to just directly create a registry, which we are doing our best to understand his position and know that it's not an easy thing. It's very fickle. And we understand, say, a lot of time, probably the people I'm going to work with and deal with are going to get locked up too, or I forgot upon it. So it's not the easiest thing when politics are involved to get, especially when it comes to rape and protecting women for some reason, just done. So he created a petition, and we need 15,000 people to sign the petition so that them can say we're really, because maybe they must say, well, we must care when them don't care. So we have created a petition, and we have to sign it, 15,000 by August 2nd to go ahead, I guess, and start that sex registry to be open to the public. However, it's been out since June and we only have 9,000 something signatures. We have since found out that you have to go online after you sign the petition, which is on my page. I post it at least 3 times per day now. It's on my page. You have to go and check your email that you used to sign the petition. And there's a link there to click to confirm that it is your email and that people aren't just randomly just throwing emails out there to sign the petition. So that's where we are. But may attack the Prime Minister, but they want people, this live was to let the opposing party know that just because I keep calling Mr. Holness' name does not mean I am pro the opposition party. Because all of them are filled with shit like crab out of Elsha. That's the topic. Alright. Now that we're caught up. Joshua, big up yourself. Claudia, maximum respect. Bradman, always. So, Eli! You know, yeah, so I just that's over there. So we need the registry for reach party for it because it's a foolishness. There's no reason, there's no rhyme nor reason for me to be in Jamaica and a policeman think it alright to put a gun to my head and tell me, say, he must shoot me because I said, don't put your hand on a child. That's a foolishness. That's a foolishness. Can I get an amen? Amen. That's a foolishness. 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 A bad man around the country, the police, them are the bad man. A them tell the politician them why go down and why not go down. Cause me watch some things from YouTube lately, you know. Yes, Natisha, you're late. You know something must put on the bell notification. Because I come like a shooting star. I'm going to see the light up pass, you know. Yeah, man, you have to put it on, man. You understand? So that's how we do with that. That's how we do with that. We need the petition signed, guys. With a 65% or 66%, I will have 9 days to shame the devil. We can't afford to make the rapists them things say, yeah, alright, I'm going to break it down to you. I'm going to go back in my calm voice. I'm going to calm it down back. I'm going to tell you something. Because I hear a couple of body head followers them I say, him change. And him this and him that. And I know I keep using body head as an example. I don't want known red person, Jamaican, I know the on the registry, so I feel him fault and shall keep him body in him pants. So I'm going to keep using him. And if you don't know who body head is, his name is Lascelle Parnell. A registered sex offender. Okay. The reason why I keep being adamant. Everybody in here, raise your hands. Children, pay attention. Anybody in here who's ever been assaulted, and that person that did the assaulting, nobody else never called them name when they raise their hand. Say I. Say I. And I can't tell you why. And even if you're not here, maybe you're just not here, but I can't tell you this. Statistically, they are more than likely going to repeat offend. My father was in prison and I had Stockholm. And I went to the prison because my sister thought it was a brilliant idea for me to take my daughter to the prison. After which, by the way, when I asked her, which is another story, they didn't deal with me because they dealt with him. And they said that me keep talking about it was unnecessary and I needed to get over it and just be cool with him because everybody cool with him, everybody else move on. Because I didn't know so my pussy was everybody else's problem. But anyway, because I am a Virgo and I am loving and I am caring and that's just how I am, believe it or not, even past my rough features, I'm very tender and loving. I'm rough, but my Virgos have a bipolar sign to them. We snap like that, okay? Just don't piss me off. Just be nice and spoil when we're alright. But anyway, everybody else was cool with him. And so the narrative was, if me cool with him, then everybody else was cool with me. Now, I got to prison because I was a dumbass at the time. And I did hurt and abuse and I got to Stockholm. But by the time I came my daughter the first time, I said, this not feel right. My daughter didn't even want to hug him. She said, no, you raped my mom. You're not hugging me. Side hug, nigga. I know you're trying to lay that dick on my side, but that shit ain't gonna work, rapist. And she literally said that to me. She said, I didn't want him to touch me because I know what he did to you. So I hugged him from the side barely. Because even the pitney them have sense. Now, when this junker rapist, nasty molesting Alderman Duran was in prison, I looked to him in front of the prison guard because you see me, I shame the devil anyway. All upon him throwing them big hand, I'm gonna run up in my body wall, I will shame him. Nigga, you gonna kill me, but I'm gonna die cussing your ass out. So I look at my dirty stinking rapist father in front of the officer. And I said to him, say, I hope when you come out, you stop do what you always do. And him look at me and him say, man, and I said, don't call me that. Me and your fucking friend, don't call me no man. Don't call me that, my name is Monique. And him say, Monique, I'm not going to do that when I come out. I day near much years, I reformed, I go stop. I say, you've not changed. You've been subdued. I say, locking up a man don't change him. Locking up a man without the proper rehabilitation just means that you get more time for fester and think about what you're going to do when you get out. And not only that, a man that's been locked up and know the taste of prison not going to want to go back to prison. So you know what I'm going to do? Cover him tracks. Which sadly might mean say you will come out and kill people, girl, if you not come back to prison for satisfy your selfish needs. And him look at me and say, Monique, I'm not going to do that. I work on the Christian radio station. I want to notice where them always run to. I work on the Christian radio station and I give my life over to God. And I just want to come out and find a church and be good. I say, alright, rapist pussy hole. I will put little faith in you because I literally turn to him and say, if you come out and do it again, I just go blast it. You see how them stay? You see how them dirty rapists stay? I just want them rapists. I want to answer a question from my Facebook the other day. Why is it that when we are calling out rapists, they like to squeal? I want you guys to just shut up and take it. Because that's what you tell we. So when we are called out in the name, shut the fuck up and take it, you rapist motherfucker. So I turn to my father and I said to him, say, I don't care if you come out and whether you mean what you say or not. I said to him, I give him 4 warning, you know. I say, if you come out and I find out that you touch another child, A, I go either try help in you, B, I go slander your name, or C, both. Okay? I turn to him and I say that and the man give me word, him come out of prison. I don't even think 1 year never pass good down. 1 year never pass good before this raping pussy will come out of prison and nearly go rape my little sister. And look, I'm not call her name because I'm not going to put that out there, but I can tell you the story without call her name. When that little girl come out of the bathroom because she thinks that she go have a moment with her father in a prison, which by the way, I don't understand. Why not so rascal licky licky? Yes, sister, you may talk to your mama, not too fucking licky licky. When the mother texts me and tell me, say, Monique, everything you write in your book are true. I say, what you mean? She say, you know, through her father and him get locked up when she's so young. I say, never make him come see her. And me, out of respect, which by the way, I don't understand why me a chance her. These mothers, them bitch will just lay down and come leg on them all. I don't answer. I say, I keep it. Listen, this is just how me talk. If you don't like it, come back. Me is a radical. Them just lay down and just breathing. Sperms just shooting at them and them conscience is too harsh to make them dash at the belly. Enough of them. And this bitch I got text me, come talk about everything you write in your book are true. I say, what you mean? She said, well, you know, when me your father did them, I did hear say I sleep with you. Which me understand you can call it sleep with me, that I rape, because I open my crutches and said, Doran, enter thine kingdom waiteth. Okay? So I understand how you hear say a man a grind him 12-year-old, and then when him left from me, him come up and you come fuck you, because that couldn't happen to me. That's why I respect the girl. What's your name? In the media where they would say, I not deal with him talk to an underage child, a young girl. Super cent. The girl said, I not care if the girl at 18. You're a big man, you're 33, you're not supposed to have medal around an 18-year-old. If she is 18.
I think she was 17.
She was 17, but in the text message, it says something about 18. When you read the thread, when she say I'm 18.
Well, she said her voice.
She said, I just no, that's what I say. I'm not supposed to do that. When me at 27 or 26, I find myself a mess with a 19, I got 20-year-old, and that was a 6-year difference. I'm still turn and say, I'm not going to do this. I said, come help you get in a college. It was a 2-week relationship, and I said, whoa, no, I know you like, but me a big man feel. And that was a person from them way to college, because I can be transparent. Them say, lay your sins first. The person not going to college. And I said, no, never that. I'm not going to do that. Come, you need to go to school. And maybe the person get them scholarship, them and them go to school. And then the person, they get molested by the pastor. And I threaten them and say, if you not fix this, I'm going to bring it to the news. So I'm not do nothing to nobody when I'm not willing to judge myself for. I'm going to judge myself first. And when me see me I do a thing and say, no, that's not right. You have a moral duty. And when a person at 20, them grown. The person was only 2 months child and 20th birthday and you're grown. Because when me at 20, me can't talk to anybody I want to talk to because I'm grown. When my daughter at 20, she free to talk to who she want to talk to, she's grown. Don't you agree? You're 20, you're grown, and I still could have found it in myself and say, I'm not care for a 6-year difference. No. And you can be certain big age and can't stop doing that. Anyway, I said to, the woman said to me, say, Monique, one time me and your father did a sleep together. By the way, she in our church when she agreed him to. I just want to see the connections. Thank you, Noel, for going to sign it. Trudy, big up yourself. Bugsy, big up yourself. And when she text me, she said to me, say, I find out, say, they are grinding, him they are rape you when you are 12. So I turn to her and say, you know, stop sleep with him? Well, I never really know if that's true. I did hear me ear and me and say, no, sir, I couldn't really do that. Now, see, me is a different woman, I built different because I go jump on the bus and reach your yard and I say, little girl, am I fuck you? Am I rape you? But we're not all built like Monique Duran. I get that, cool. But you hear about that, confirm it. No, so the pussy will go to prison. Because he want touch up the woman 14-year-old daughter and kill her feet. Because she said, I'm going to report you. And him come out of prison and you invite him back in your house? Around your child? Considering he loves his children? A lot? Then you have the audacity now to come text me and call me and voice note me a ball. I thought, well, I can't believe it and him almost this because a good thing me up on the veranda. The little girl in our room, I get dressed. And naked, she naked. And when she turned around, he was in the doorway. And I hope the parole board is listening or somebody on the parole board listen this. Kind of violate it. And the mother and the little girl said, she in her room. And she turned and the dirty sick son of a bitch. Yesterday was your birthday. I don't know why God never gave the best birthday present and give you a fucking heart attack, job kill you. You shouldn't live to see your birthday yesterday, you dirty stinking drunk crow. Call it this go around and destroy people's life. And men like you. And we're gonna get this petition signed for stop because you fuss and go upon it your germs. You understand? In case you don't understand why I'm so passionate, they don't stop. And when the little girl turn around at him that in the doorway, I watch her naked. And the mother got text me. In case you don't understand why I'm cuss the mother them so much. The mother got text me and tell me, say, she need to go to school. And she need the money, so what she for do? She have to get it from him. Or the two black cat licky I'm gonna make her penny them dead for money. Money. Fiat, fake, paper we put value upon. I'm going to look on her and say, where there's a will, there's a way. The little girl is a genius, she's smart. She can figure it out, and can figure it out. But the minute you start taking money and invite him to the house, what you tell him is that what he did to me is okay. And what he's going to continue to do is okay. And when I contact him, and whatever, and I find out what I want, I say, you know, the worst thing about it, I say, I feel like the little girl and we disappear and you are hurt them. Because I say, you're not going to want to go back to prison again. So you're going to kill them this time. Or go find out, say, because dirty, nasty sister them, get this rapist. I can't say pedophile kind of rape. This rapist, car, and house. Car pick up little pitney and house, you carry them and I go rape. I want to come attack me on social media. You don't understand. That's why I go so hard. Because I know that a lot of women are like them. A lot of women are like Nancy Cross's auntie when named Joan. We defend him. And Dana will defend him. Most women are like my mother, Sonia. We defend him. So all you think so them are going to feel like what them do wrong. You know what that pussy will literally call me and tell me already? Monica, you alone still keep it up. Everybody else forgive me, so you can't just let it go too. So in case my sister don't understand why I can come to her and say to her, say it hurt. So you have him in your phone as daddy. And you go look at me and tell me, say, he's your father. Him rape me, him never rape you. In case you don't understand, sister, why bother me so much? Because of that, the pussy will look at me and tell me, say, only don't talk about it no more, only me. So only me have a problem with it. Only not understand, so only endorse them. Only make them feel like their behavior is, it is okay when only Christian people are full of body head. And I go on him page and I make him live keep. You know what you say to that man? Do you know what you say to a man that's a registered sex offender? You say to him it's okay. You say to him what you did wasn't that bad. I don't know one time him name call. A 2 time. The woman text me. The woman friend text me directly and say, Monique, my friend for married him in England when him come for do him gospel concert. And because she go in the bathroom, go see the man a jerk off to a teenage boy on the phone. And dirty stinking to you all why you want to come on my page. Come talk shit because you want to follow your little rapist friend? Your little convicted sex offender?
Viewers and subscribers, I think that this sex offenders registry is a good idea. I think it is a good thing, isn't it? I think that this thing should have been made and put out there to the public a long time ago for the country of Jamaica. You understand? Yeah, I think that this thing should have been made a long time ago for the country of Jamaica and put out there to the public. You know, I think something like this might help to protect persons within the country of Jamaica, and who knows, maybe even persons outside of the country of Jamaica as well. You see? Now, I'm going to say some things, viewers and subscribers, you know, and these things that I'm going to say is just an example. You see me? I'm just trying to say some things so that I can get a point across, so that you can have a better understanding as to why I said these things that I just said. You see what I'm saying to you? Now listen this now. This is just an example. I'm not saying someone did this, what I'm saying. This is just an example, alright? So let's say someone who was in St. Thomas got convicted for child molestation and was in prison, and that person came out of prison. And then that person leave from the parish of St. Thomas within the country of Jamaica and go all the way to the parish of Hanover within the country of Jamaica to a high school looking for a job as a teacher. You see me? Yeah, the person went to the high school looking for a job as a teacher. Alright, now let's say that that person get the job. Alright? And then after a few years, the person repeat the act. And I'm talking about the same act that caused the person to go to prison in the first place when the person was living in the parish of St. Thomas within the country of Jamaica. Alright? Now, with the sex offenders registry, that would give the employer the option to search the person's name to see if the person had been registered as a sex offender. Now, viewers and subscribers, if someone is going to look for a job as a teacher in any form of school, in my point of view, I think it is important to find out if the person is a child molester or a sex offender overall. Anyways, the point that I'm trying to make is that with the sex offender registry right there online or so on, you know, employers as well as you can say persons might be able to search someone's name to find out if the person is a sex offender and know what to do by knowing such information. You understand me? Yeah, and I'm not saying this for persons to go out there and accuse people and all these things. You see me? No. And I'm not saying for persons to abuse this thing neither. You understand? But I think that something like this might be able to help protect persons in Jamaica and, you know, maybe other places as well. You understand? See? So I think something like this is good. I think the sex offenders registry is something that is good. I think it is good. You understand? Now, you can let me know if you agree with what I'm saying or if you do not agree with what I'm saying. But I'm just giving you my opinions towards something like this. You understand? You see? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, I just presented to you a video that shows a female who said some things that I think it is interesting. You understand? And I also think that some of the things that she has said is important as well. You understand? Yeah, this video shows a female also talked a little bit about her life. She talked about some things that her father did and other things as well. Viewers and subscribers, you know. Something like that happened to someone when they're young sometimes affects the person when they grow up. Alright? And I want to say big up and respect to this female that you see in the video that I just presented to you. Alright? Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it. Alright, so let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. Let me know what you think about some of the things that the female in the video had said. You see me? Let me know what you think about the things that she talked about overall. You understand me? Yeah, and here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.